If you're looking for a reliable way to unblock blocked websites on your iPhone, using a VPN is one of the easiest and most effective solutions. A VPN allows you to bypass restrictions by changing your IP address and routing your connection through servers in other countries. NordVPN is a strong choice because it provides fast, secure, and stable connections, along with thousands of servers worldwide, making it simple to access websites that may be restricted in your region. You can find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted price. To get started, open the App Store on your iPhone and download the NordVPN app. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in or create a new account. When prompted, allow the app to add VPN configurations, as this permission is required for the VPN to work correctly. After signing in, you'll see a map interface and a list of available countries inside the app. Scroll through the list and select a country where the website you want to access is not blocked. For example, if a website is restricted in your current location but available elsewhere, simply choose a different country and tap Connect. Within a few seconds, your iPhone will connect to a new server, and blocked websites should become accessible. At this point, you'll be able to browse content that was previously unavailable on your device. In addition to unblocking websites, using a VPN also encrypts your internet traffic, helping to protect your personal data and reduce tracking, especially when connected to public Wi-Fi. And if you want to try NordVPN for yourself, I've included a link in the description with a limited time discount. It also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. If you're watching this on a TV or iPad, you can also scan the QR code on screen to get started.